Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set up a watercolor palette. First thing that you want to do is choose the paints that you want inside of the palette and arrange them in the order that you want them in. Make sure that you have at least a warm and cool version of each primary. Also choose earth tones that you want to put inside of it, like browns, and a neutral like Payne's Gray or neutral tint. Place each tube of paint next to the well that you're going to fill up with that color. Once you're happy with the arrangement, you can start to fill the wells up with paint. The colors that I chose for my palette were White Gouache, Lemon Yellow by Daniel Smith, Winsor Yellow by Winsor and Newton, New Gamboge by Daniel Smith, Pyro Scarlet by Daniel Smith, Winsor Red by Winsor and Newton, Permanent Alizarin Crimson by Winsor and Newton, Quinacridone Rose by Daniel Smith, French Ultramarine by Winsor and Newton, Phthalo Blue Green Shade by Daniel Smith, Payne's Gray by Winsor and Newton, Burnt Umber by Winsor and Newton Cotman, Burnt Sienna by Winsor and Newton, and Raw Sienna by Winsor and Newton Cotman. Once you're done filling the palette with paint, you can make a swatch card of all the colors that you chose. Make sure to put the paints in the same order as they were in on the palette so that you know which color is which. Now that I'm done swatching each color, the next thing that I'm going to do is put the name of each color, the brand, and the pigment number beside each swatch so that I know which one came from which tube, so if I want to refill the wells then I know which color is which. Now I'm getting out my paper cutter to cut the swatch card down to the size of the inside of the palette so it can fit inside if I want to take it with me somewhere. The last step to do is make a mixing chart. So what you want to do is you want to start with your first color in your palette, like mine was lemon yellow, and then you mix it with every other color in the palette, and then next you do the next color and you mix it with every other color except for the first color because that one's already been mixed, and you just keep on doing this until you get to the very end, and every color will have been mixed with every other color once. I almost forgot to mention that the palette that I'm using in this video is the Mijello Fusion palette, and also most of the products used in this video will be linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please remember to like and subscribe and comment down below if you have ever set up your own watercolor palette or if this video was helpful to you.